Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're taking a plunge into a really specific piece of hardware.
The Blustream AMF42AU.
That's the one. It's a 4x2 seamless presentation switcher. And I think our mission here is to get past the brochure copy.
Right, and really understand its architectural significance. Because when they say ideal for your boardroom, what they really mean is this thing can potentially replace 3 other devices in your rack.
So it's about consolidation.
It's all about consolidation. The video scaler, a mic preamp, the matrix switch itself, it saves space, but more importantly, it saves complexity.
Okay, so let's break that down. At its core, what does it do?
Fundamentally, it's a 4-input, 2-output switcher, multi-format.
And looking at those inputs, you've got 3 HDMI 2.0s, which is pretty standard, but that 4th input is the interesting one, the USB-C.
Yeah, and that's absolutely necessary for any modern collaboration space.
And it's a powerful one, right? We're not talking about a basic connection.
Not at all. It handles up to 4K UHD at 60 Hz, and this is the key with 4.4.4 color sampling.
Right, which means perfect color clarity. No compression artifacts on text or fine lines.
Exactly. If you're looking at detailed spreadsheets or, say, medical images, that's crucial.
And I see it also offers 40-watt charging over that same USB-C cable. That's a nice quality of life feature.
It is.
But I have to ask, is 40 watts really enough to sustain a powerful laptop that's pushing a 4K presentation?
That's a fair point. And look, it's probably not going to charge your battery from dead to full under max load.
So it's more of a trickle charge.
Think of it more as a sustain. It'll prevent the battery from draining during a long meeting. It just holds the line, so you don't need to scramble for a power brick.
Smart. Okay, let's talk outputs. 2 HDMI 2.0s, but output 2 also has HDBaseT.
And HDBaseT is just a lifesaver for installation crews.
Because you can send that full signal over a single, inexpensive network cable.
A single CAT cable, yeah, up to 40 meters for 4K.
Yeah.
Or if you drop to 1080p, you can go all the way to 70 meters. It simplifies long cable runs dramatically.
And the seamless part of the name, that's handled by independent video scaling on each output.
That's right. So you can have a 4K main display and maybe a 1080p confidence monitor, and it just works. It tailors the signal for each one.
Okay, so the video side is clearly sorted, but I get the feeling that's not the whole story.
Not even close. The real unique selling point here, I think, is the professional audio integration.
The integrated mic mixer.
Exactly. It mixes a microphone input over the source audio with independent level control.
And what tells me this is serious is that the mic input supports both line level and 48-volt phantom power.
Yes.
So we're talking about the ability to plug a high-end, studio-quality condenser microphone directly into the voucher.
That's it. For any kind of hybrid meeting, that is the feature that makes or breaks the experience for remote attendees. It just solves the we can't hear the room problem.
And you get robust audio breakout options too, analog and digital.
Yep. Balanced analog for a pro sound system, or Toslink digital straight to a soundbar. It's flexible.
And finally, control. You've got all the standards here. WebGI, RS-232, IP.
It speaks the language of any major room automation system. It's designed to be reliable and integrated.
So it really is a complete package. I mean, at just over $3,800, it's an investment.
It is, but that 5-year warranty tells you a lot about how it's built and who it's for. The value is in simplifying the architecture without cutting corners on performance.
Absolutely. And that brings me to a final thought for you to mull over. We mentioned HDBaseT, but this unit also offers POSI power over cable, which powers the compatible receiver at the other end. So the question for you, if you're a designer or installer, is this. How much simpler does that single cable carrying video, control, and power make your job when you're designing a really complex integrated room? Think about the labor cost, the points of failure you eliminate.
Something to chew on.
We'll leave you with that. See you in the next deep dive.